Now, after you have successfully applied for a Kenyan passport, you are required to book an appointment for biometrics. On the day of biometrics, what documents are you required to carry? Number one, you need your national identification card, the original copy. You also need an original copy of your birth certificate. And then if you put details for your parents, that is if your parents are available, you need to have a copy of their national identification card. If the parents are dead, you need a death certificate for the deceased parent. If you indicated that you have a child or children, then you need a birth certificate or birth certificates for the children. Then there is a place for a recommender to fill. You need a copy of the national identification card for the recommender. These are the required documents that you need to have. And your personal documents must be original. For the other people, you carry a copy of whatever I've mentioned. Please make sure on the day of biometrics, you carry these items. I was forgetting, you also need passport photos. So make sure that you have passport photos with the correct dimensions. There are dimensions that they need you to have, and also the passports must be taken on a white background. And the passport should be covering your face. Without you smiling, they need to see your full facial features. They need also to see the shoulders and part of the chest. So make sure that these things are well seen and the dimensions that are required for the passport photo size. Once you have all these documents, you are ready to go for the biometrics. And this will make the process very easy for those who are doing the biometrics. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, please make sure to boop that like button so that this video can be forwarded to more people. If you are interested in my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, click anywhere on this screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.